Start it up.
I swear to God, if somebody knocks it over, I think these voice waves are way too high frequency to even knock the. I will shove a pencil up your nose. And it's gonna come in your finger. Sorry about that interruption. Colin knocked the freaking camera over, and he almost just did it again. Unbelievable. The nerve that some people have in this establishment.
Defeat all that stand before us.
Put that claymore down again. That's what you should always do. It's a good tactic. Ready? You get it right here because they all come falling out that door. Where's the banana? I am calling a lot of ass. You carefully raping shit. There's a camera spike. I had to get rid of it. Destroy it. What? It's a camera spike. Oh my goodness.
RCXD ready for launch.
This is an RC. This is my remote control car. I never really used it before. What do you do with it? I don't know. What? All right. Oh my goodness! My car just blew up. I don't know why.
RCXD ready for deployment.
I saw this glitch on YouTube. And you could like drive your car on this little pad. Oh my goodness!
Care package on the way.
Shot me through a bush. I'm gonna try that, Colin. Alright. So we just had lunch, and we all just had 3 puss sandwiches each.
Friendly RCXD
Very
deployed.
delicious. Oh my God! There's a hole! There's a hole! Oh my God!
Deployment.
Woo!
RCXD ready for deployment. Friendly
Try
RCXD.
it again! Try it again! What? No, use the boost! I don't know how! No, not that way! L2! Way! Camera spike!
RCXD ready for launch.
RCXD!
Care package ready for delivery. Mark the DZ.
Yeah! Nice one, Phil! Thanks!
Friendly care package
No
inbound.
problem! RCXD! That's what friends are for! Take the camera! Friendship is everything! So I'll push it up here. Oh my God!
RCXD inbound. Care package ready for delivery.
Wait.
Mark the DZ.
Is that a new name for a puss? What, butt sex? Yeah. No, I think butt sex is a form of exercise where you get a yoga ball, and then you throw it upside down, and then catch it in your butthole.
Delivery ready for delivery.
So you're saying that butt sex? Yeah! So you want to try that? Yeah, we'll try it together. It's better when there's 2 people, so one of them can throw it higher. It's kind of hard to throw a yoga ball up there, then get down on the floor and stick your ass up in the air. So you're saying I'm gonna throw the ball up in the air, you're gonna stick your ass, it's gonna go right into your butt? Yeah! And this is... How is it gonna get in your butt for strong it'll be? But, how does this help you? I don't know, look it up!
Pentagon ready for delivery.
So look it
Mark
up on
the DZ.
Google Images? Look it up on, yeah, look it up on Google Images. Look up butt sex. Alright, hold on. See what it says. What does it say, Colin? Colin, can you answer the door, please? And when you come back,
Finally,
so park the
standing
car
by.
over. Yeah, take a power.
Pentagon ready. Shoot where you want it.
out.
You could get cramps.
Yeah, cramps aren't good.
Friendly care package inbound. RCXD ready for deployment. Friendly
Just
RCXD
had triple
deployed.
kill. Nice.
Care package ready. Show us where you want it.
What's that thing, Luciano?
Oh, look what I got.
Giovanni, you want to try this butt sex? Sure. Okay, you get down on the ground. I'll throw my yoga ball. Okay. Here I go.
Oh my God, he knows the camera.
No!
Dear freaking Lord.
Kick.
Giovanni, you ruined this whole thing.
RCXD inbound.
I got it. Oh, it's right here.
Sentry gun ready. Show us where you want it.
Goddamn camera.
RCXD ready for deployment.
Phil, come.
Sentry gun ready. Show us
Come
where
do this for me.
Bitch.
Phil,
What?
set the camera.
Video games, Mom. My friends.
Sentry gun ready.
Watch this. Ready for this shit?
Phil, set up the camera.
RCXD ready for deployment. RCXD ready for deployment. RCXD
Phil,
ready for
set up the camera.
friendly
Be
RCXD.
right there, Mom. Hey, Luciano.
What?
Your mom wants to talk to you.
Tell her I can't talk on
RCXD
there.
ready for launch.
I'll play for you.
Hello?
Gun is gone.
Yeah?
RCXD ready for deployment.
What?
Care package ready. Show us where you want it.
I'm making a video right now.
Sentry gun ready for delivery. Mark the DC.
Alright.
RCXD ready for launch.
Never.
Friendly sentry gun
Call
inbound.
their parents when they want to.
Friendly care package inbound. RCXD ready for launch. Friendly RCXD inbound.
Thank you.
Friendly RCXD inbound. RCXD ready for deployment. Friendly RCXD inbound.
Alright.
RCXD ready for launch. RCXD
What
ready
was
for
that?
deployment.
That was my mom. She said we
Friendly
have to get
RCXD
off
deployed.
this game. Why?
I'm a party pooper. Every day I come over.
My mom's a bitch.
They destroyed your
I
sentry gun.
got that in the book.
Destroy my sentry gun. What the hell?
I read a book. When you don't like somebody, call them a bitch.
I read it's a book somewhere that if you don't like someone, you should kill them. What the hell?
That's me.